Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, ToyCarCollector.com, where I specialize in redline Hot Wheels and I collect all sorts of cars. I collect redline Hot Wheels, I collect newer Hot Wheels, Matchbox, Johnny Lightnings, all kinds of different toys. Today's video features the Custom 53 Chevy. The Custom 53 Chevy is one of my favorite models, and I've got a few new ones here in packages down here below, and then I've got my collection up here. Let's take a look and see what in these blister packs needs to be added to the collection. Now let's take a look at the collection. Oh, there's so many pretty ones. Look at that. Now, I like to have about 12 of every model if I like that model. And there's plenty of variations to be had in just about every Hot Wheel ever made. So let's take a look and see what we have. How many variations do I have in the collection already? I've got this beautiful brown one here. Oh, look at that. Isn't that pretty? That one looks very realistic. Got the purple with the white, got the red with the white. Two of those, two of those. Got the flame ones. Now this one's a little different than that one. Got the purple, couple of those. That red one's sure pretty over there. Another purple down here. This one with different types of flames or scallops or whatever those are called. I never can get that quite right. Let's move this guy out. This is actually a different model here, of course. This is the So Fine, which is an old Buick. What year do you suppose that Buick is anyway? And why can't we focus in on it? There it is. All right, let's move that out of the way. Let's just move these out of the way for now. The So Fine. I'm kind of up in the air on whether to collect the So Fine or not. I'm going to put the camera down here. Hang on. I kind of go in and out on the So Fine as to whether I really like it or not. Let's move the lighting over here. How about some more lighting? I think we need more light. Let's just pull over another light over here. All right, now we're really lighting up the area here. Look at that. All right. All right, let's get this one out of the pack. This is from the Larry Wood 2019 series. Beautiful package. I hate to destroy it, but, whoops, put my arm on the lamp, turn the light off. Oh, there you go again. Gee, Merry Christmas. One more? Yeah, there we go. All right, look at that. Oh, that's a beauty. Ooh, get in there. Focus. Yes. Look at that top. Got a nice pattern on it. Very finely detailed. All right, that's going to be a new one. I'm going to put that right there. You know, I think I'm going to get rid of all these So Fines. That's what I'm going to do. They're nice, but they, you know, some of the models that you want to collect, they have a few really nice ones, but then the, you know, majority, maybe you just don't like them. So, like, in this So Fine, there's like two in here that I really like, and don't really care about the other ones too much, so I'll just get rid of those. But I do like, nah, not that one. I know I liked some, I think this one maybe. So Fine. Yeah, that's all right. I don't know. Okay, here we go. This is going to be all the 53 Chevys now. Let's see what we've got. We've got this green one with flames in the package. And that's from probably about, now when you look on the back of the package, that's generally within a year or two of the date that the car was made. This one, I can't really read it. So anyway, I do have that green one down there, so we're good to go on that. The brown, just showed you one of those. Good to go on that. Let's see, we've got this one from the 2018 factory sealed set. That's the one with the white wall tires on it. Got that already, so we're good there. And look at that one. I think we're pretty good on that. I actually got two of those. Sometimes I'll take the ones that I have two of and put them together. And I think, and then similar flames and whatnot. And move them around. Yeah, that's the fun of collecting. The fun of collecting. Well, I've only got one of those. All right. And let's see. We got doubles of these, doubles of those. You can't even see me. I'm off camera there. Actually, it looks like I'm moving everything down. Maybe I should be moving everything up. Move it all up. Move it on up. All right. Purple. All right. Is there anything else that I want to have two of? Now, okay, now let's back up a little bit here. That's wide angle. So what I've done here is I've put my doubles down here. And we'll just skip that bottom row. Oh, by the way, have you noticed that I like to put these little white cards? I made this with cardstock, and I actually made a pattern, and I took it down to Kinko's or whatever they call the copy shop now, and they printed those or cut them all up for me. That was real nice. And then I just put them in here. It kind of makes it look a little bit better. So maybe there is something I'd like to have two of. I already got two of those. And here's the purple. It really is a gorgeous model. And I've already got two of those. But here's a new one. The Target white. All right. Target white. All right. There it is. Look at that thing. Isn't that beautiful? All right, let's get a little closer now. There we go. Boom. There we go. Boom, boom. Yeah, pretty nice. All right. Put that one in there. Same pattern, looks like. All right, good, good. What do we got here? We've got the Heat Fleet 11, 2011. You got that one right there. One single one. That's a single. That's a single. Put that up top there. Maybe put all the flamey ones. Let's see. That is not flames, right? That's flames and that's not flames. All right. What do we got here now? Black. Oh, you know what? Heat Fleet 2011. This one's got a goober on the tempo too. Otherwise, you know, I might like to have two of these. What the heck? Let's have two of these in here. That's just crazy. Look at that. Two of those. Two of those. I'd like to have two of that red one. Do we have another one of those? No. Nope. Just got one of those. Would like to have two of that one, I think. Yeah, you know, now that I look at this one, this Target one, they didn't do a great job printing that one. Oh, dear. That's a horrible job. Look at that mess. Oh, well. Oh, well. It's really not even that cool, honestly. I'm going to get rid of that one. I'm going to throw it in the dollar box. Throw that baby in the dollar box. Oh, yeah. That's cool. Look at that. I already showed you that one. All right. Let's see. What do we got now? We got these duplicates and we got these singles up here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We got 16. I got 24 spots to fill that in. And that is it for the 53 custom Chevy. And let's go on to another model, huh? What do you say? All right, continuing with the video for today, I'm going to look at the 64 Chevy Impala. 64 Chevy Impala. Let's make sure our light's on there. There we go. Whoops. 1, 2, 3. 64 Chevy Impala. I've got one of the blue ones already. Look at this thing. Isn't that amazing? That is an amazing car. I love this one. Is there anything wrong with it? Do I need this other one? No, I probably don't need it. All right, pass on that. I don't have a lot of the 64 Impala. This one's not great, but it's pretty cool. I don't like these kind of wheels with the doubles. They just don't look realistic enough to me. But that's pretty cool. And then we've got the gray over here with the black top. Get that focused in there. Look at that. That's pretty cool. That is very nice. Now, I've got a couple of new ones here. I got the blue one. I've got the orange with the black top. This is Drop Stars. This is from about 2005. Get this added to the collection. Look at that thing. Get in there. Pretty neat. Yeah, that's pretty neat. We'll throw that in there. And then we've got this one too, which is kind of ugly, but we'll go with it. And it's from about 2000. Ooh. 2003, it says on the back of the card. It's not bad looking. Let's see. Yeah, there you go. All right, so there's another one. Will that fit in there? Whoa. It's not the greatest looking. But these two, these three, yeah, these three are nice. These three are nice. And these two are kind of boring. Look at this. What is this? This is a 57 Buick wagon. Look at that beauty. Wow. That's amazing. Is the hood open? I think so. Look at that. Hood opens a little bit. That is sweet. 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 And then what do we got up here? 58 Impala. 58 Impala. Nice. That might be a treasure hunt. Yeah. 58 Impala. So I've got 3 of those. And then I've got some of these Lincolns. That's not too bad. That's not my favorite. I love the Lincoln convertible though. That was a great one. That is a beauty. That is a beaut. A beauty. There's a hard top. Not crazy about the hard top. I'm going to take those out of the collection, except for the white. Oh yeah, we got, look at that. We got white. We got white with the hard top and with a convertible top. I never even noticed that before. All right, cool, cool. And we don't have a whole lot on the Impalas. I just pick these up at the convention whenever I see something I like. Put those in there. And then I've got the fish and chipped, which not my favorite, but you know, some of them are kind of cool. Look at that. Look at that thing. This one's not bad. And I really like this one. Look at that. That paint is beautiful. Wow. Fish and chipped. What's on the other side? Let's quick look over there. Ah, yes. Crazy. This is crazy over here. Crazy town. This is the Buick Riviera. This is a car that I really like the body style of, but they mostly make goofy ones. They don't really make, let's take a close look here. You know what? I'm going to pick up the camera here, put it in the zoom in mode. I'm going to need more light. Look at that. I don't see, do I see a single one? No, I don't see, oh, maybe this one. I think this is about the only one that looks halfway real, you know, like a real car. This one's actually got real riders on it. It's quite elaborate. They put a lot of elaborate designs on this model, but they all have this wheel, that wheel, and they're pretty wild. They got carried away with all the decorations on this model, so it's kind of a weird one, but I do like all the colors. And look at that. They really did a lot of work on that. And there we go. Finally, slipped and fell. I do like that black one up there. That's nice. And again, I have these white cards under there. It really makes the cars a lot easier to see. I'm going to go ahead and keep this model for now in the collection. I've been sorting out some of the models that I'm going to put up on my website to just move on to somebody else. I just have too many of these things. I've got to gradually get rid of some of them. All right, everybody, that is the end of this video. For some more recent Hot Wheels from my collection, some of them going up for sale, and stop doing that. That's crazy. Anyway, stop by my website, www.ToyCarCollector.com, and appreciate you stopping by, and have a great day. Bye now.